Hi, I'm Caroline from Fat Hen, and we're on day 2 of lockdown. There's never been a better time to get out foraging, to be honest. It's a perfect time of year for wild greens. It's spring, everything is growing prolifically, so it really is a brilliant time to get out. So when you're doing your daily exercise, see if you can pick a few things while you're out. It's really important that we all try and boost our immune systems at the moment and keep really strong and healthy. And if you can include a few wild greens in your diet right now, then not only will you be saving your pennies, but also you'll be improving your nutrition. So we're going to pick some nettles today. We're going to be making nettle soup. We'll also be doing nettle tempura, and we'll do a nettle and wild garlic pesto, and I'll be sharing the recipes with you on Instagram and Facebook. Okay, so I'm out with my children today and we're going to start picking some nettles. We're really after the nettle tops. They're so vibrant at the moment, but we want the sort of top 4 to 6 leaves. Okay, Sam? And we're going to stick those in the basket. Nettles are incredibly nutritious. It's really what your body needs right now. Full of iron, vitamin C, vitamin A, magnesium, calcium. The general all-round very good thing to be eating. If there's one wild green you should include in your diet, it should be nettles. Even if you just put a handful in a smoothie in the morning with a few other hedgerow herbs, then you'll be giving yourself a nutrient boost. I absolutely love nettles. I put them into everything. I put them into soups, omelettes, pasta filling with ricotta, a few in my smoothie, into phyllo pastries. Just use them like spinach. So anything you'd use spinach for, you can use nettles. So all you have to do is take them home, give them a good wash, because often you'll get lots of bits in them, and stick them in a pan of boiling salted water. In fact, not salted if you want to drink the water afterwards. Blanch them for a minute or two and squeeze them out, and then you can chop them up and use them as you would spinach. And as soon as they hit the boiling water, they've lost their sting. Now, if you want to drink the nettle water afterwards, it's basically nettle tea, which is really nutritious, or you can use it as a stock. Very good for you, anti-inflammatory, and also very good as an antihistamine. Well, I've just found a patch of what I consider to be possibly the perfect nettle. So I'd just like to show you what I'm looking for. We've got really lovely, lush, new, but quite big leaves. We're in the woods now, and often when you're in the woods you'll get much softer leaves which aren't quite so gnarly and stingy. They'll be a lovely green colour and just quite soft, and I'm quite excited about these nettles, to be honest. So what I do is I just grab the whole of the top, I cut them so I don't take much stalk home with me. I don't want too much stalk because it would make the soup very fibrous, and that's just a bit of a pain. So I try and select while I'm out the nettles I like and cut them the way I like them. Okay, you cut onions. We're making a really big soup today, so I've got 4 onions, 4 massive leeks, a massive bowl of nettles, and quite a few potatoes as well. If you've got any fresh herbs, it's nice to put in. I like to put in a bit of thyme if you've got it. We'll probably put in some wild garlic actually, and some stock. If you haven't got stock, just use water. Okay, so the soup's been cooking and now everything's soft, the potatoes are soft, so it's time to put the nettles in. And they're going to go in for probably about 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook the nettles, you want to keep their vibrant green colour. So a couple of minutes. I've also got some wild garlic, or Ramsons, which I'm going to put in as well. Let's take that one out. Give it a couple of minutes, and that will be blended, passed through a sieve to get rid of any of the coarse bits of stalk, and then that's it.